somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Now nothing seems as strange as when the leaves begin to change. Oh, how we thought those days would never end. Sometimes I hear that song and I'll start to sing along and think, man, I'd love to see that girl again. Man, I'd like to see that girl again. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Hey, baby. Yeah, when I first saw that bikini top on her, she's popping right out of the South Georgia water. Thought, oh, good Lord, she had them long tan legs, couldn't help myself, so I walked up and said, well, baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle every little farm town with you in this brand new Chevy with a lift kit. Would look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Yeah, she was sipping on Southern and singing Marshall Tucker. We were falling in love in the sweetheart of summer. She hopped right up into the cab of my truck and said, fire it up, let's go get this thing stuck. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my window feels so right. I put it in park and grab my guitar and strummed a couple chords and sang from the heart. Girl, you sure got the beat in my chest bumping. Hell, I can't get you out of my head. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle of every little farm town with you. Well, baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle of every little farm town with you. In this brand new Chevy with a lift kit, look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. Come on, baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Come on, girl, get those windows down and cruise. Oh, yeah.
You got a recording already? Yeah. It's not turning, is it? No. Don't do that, you're gonna mess it up. It's all the way out? Yeah. This part just fell down a little bit. Hold it up like this. Yeah, twist like this. Oh, you hear it? Are you not excited as I am? It's a boat shit.
Scared.
Why?
This is way too close. And then there's a big ass sign that says we are not responsible for accidents.
It's okay. Would you? Would you have headphones? I forgot. Hold on, wait for Danielle. Go around that way.
Making a track wet. Why are you video cameraing? Why are you doing that and walking?
You eat everything.
Everything?
Yep.
That.
They go from 15 to 17.
And $5 for the raffle?
Yes, ma'am. Sir, sorry.
Those are your books. You got those. You want a shirt?
Huh?
You want a shirt?
Extra large. Did I get extra large?
Take it.
Yeah.
That would look better
You
for
got
us.
enough money? Yeah.
That's kid.
I think so.
How much is it?
17.
Dad, how much is now?
Can I get a large?
Yeah, sure.
And these are the youth sizes? Small, medium, and large?
Yes.
Okay. Or small for her. Actually, can I get an extra large?
Yeah, sure.
What size is your shirt, Diego? What size is your
They're
shirt?
really small to me. But there's an extra large.
Thank you.
It's going to be 17 for that.
Get a large like that one at the house.
$3 is your change.
Thank you. Let me see what a small and large is. Imagine how much money goes into these, especially ones like that.
Oh. Whoa. Here's the daddy. Oh, look at that. Thing is huge.
Check it out.
Dad, come here.
Careful with the mud, bro. Ah, sweet. Check it out. Stampede. Look at that one in the back of the trailer. Yellow. We're walking around. We're gonna go all the way back around. Back to where Mama goes. Oh, they got a whole bunch of them over there. They got a whole bunch of them over there. Yeah, we're gonna walk around. I wonder how many motors they go through a year. I don't know, man. They probably rebuild the same one all the time.
Oh, that's cool. I told you that's what they're gonna be racing. So yeah.
That's that one that they put on that. That's that purple one again. I see. Look, that was the back. Got Hawkeye on the side. Oh yeah.
Oh no, it's sitting in the car.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh look, they got that one started.
Oh look, check it out. I see.
It's big tire.
Oh look at that. They're driving that
yeah.
RC car right in front of that gator.
Oh,
Right there.
yeah.
Oh look, they're pulling that one out.
Hey, look. That was the purple car. I would hate to get that purple car all dirty. They're not loud. They're tiny.
This way.
Where's that smoke coming from? Dad!
Look at the drive shaft underneath.
Dang.
Drive shaft.
Come on, Danielle.
Oh look,
Look,
hey.
they even got transmission on here.
Dang.
Here, see? check out this. Check it out.
We're going back this way. Go back, get back down with Mama.
Ew.
Step on that rubber.
We got 8 more minutes and then it's starting. Let's look, see how many people are here. Ready?
We're just about ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. About 5 minutes away from showtime. You want to get that something to eat? The Boy Scouts of America over here on this side got that pulled pork. They've got some fantastic prices now. Pulled pork sandwich. Right at $3, right off the pit. $3 sandwich, $3 barbecue sandwich. Bottomless tea glass that you can buy. They have got a lot of stuff. Of course, the nachos and the chips and the popcorn for the kids, such as that. The FFA alumni over on the other side got plenty of good stuff. We're going to be setting up t-shirts of ours.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets rang glare, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Yes, sirree. Great job. Now then, I want to talk to you about the sled right quick before he moves it. He runs the, first of all, purple John Deere don't work. I don't know where he gets purple. Now, here we go, first one, out of the box tonight, be the Joker. Come on. The prettiest sight that a puller can ever see, the prettiest sight that a puller can ever see is when the flagman has to turn around and chase you down. Motor, he says it's a 327 running up against 400s. He says this motor's been dynoed at 375 horse. A 327 cranking 375. Pretty wicked little machine. International Rally. I am not going to doubt that guy's... Oh, don't worry about the UFO. Don't worry about the UFO. He's a little Martian that come down to watch the show when he got in free. We've got the Rattler. Massey Harris rear end. Massey Harris sheet metal. Rattler. Took him a long time to get on the throttle. Now, these guys, because of that RPM limitation, they don't want to... For the season, it's last night's winner, by the way. This guy's in contention for the ice chest we're going to give away. Carbureted, big block, 485 maximum. Let's go to the other end of the track like we mean it. I guarantee you right here with that, my elite. We got a different driver in it tonight now. To my knowledge, Pete Riola, who is a puller, but not in a pro stock pickup. To my knowledge, he's never drove this truck before. Now, he might have, but as I said, to my knowledge, that's what kind of gives me a leeway right there, see? Now, I never tell a lie. I make a story fit the occasion. Hey, Paul, has he ever drove before? First time. All right, this is his first time down the track. You're doing good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. That shows what I know about the sport. I was wanting to get it back there at 75, and he waited till 150.
Definitely. See you later.
Bullcat got 5th place last night, looking to better his pull a little bit. Get into the rules on this class just a little bit. 6,200 pounds. The tires, there's a maximum size on the tires. Don't ask me what the exact number is, because I'd lie to you. But whatever you're looking at right there is the largest tire that you can run. The thing that you got to remember, any tire that you choose, whether it be Goodyear, Goodrich, you can even run Firestones if you feel safe.
They carry the professional
The fact is, whatever tire you run, it's got to have a DOT number on it. It's got to have a DOT license number. You got to be able to walk up to a dealer somewhere and buy it. Anybody can buy that tire over the counter. Outside of that, you run a Chevrolet body, you got to run a Chevrolet motor. You run a short wheelbase body, your axles has got to be 1 inch plus or minus the body style you use. There is a maximum overall length, and that truck's maximum. Here we go with Bullcat. Trying to run a tall gear. Where's my board people at? Let's make some noise for Haymaker! He is amongst them now. Same position she's in right now. The truck made a hard right-hand turn. She tried to catch up with it. She overcorrected. The slant went right way. She got out of the throttle, but when the dust settled, she was pointed right straight at you. I'm going down here. Oh, was that motor not singing? Was that motor not singing? Ford people, let's make some noise again. Where's my Ford fans at? Oh, letting them get up and boogie. Letting them get up and that's whiplash. But the weight box keeps going to the front. When it reaches the front, it hits another switch, reverses the pump. It starts pushing oil into the cylinders, and you'll see the rear tires on this cat fan come off of the ground, off the sled, because the cylinders have extended, putting all the weight of the skid onto the sled. So here we come right now with nice things. This guy gets third place. See the rear wheels off the ground? Bootlegger. Mr. Ollie will get right up in your back pocket now. Heard that motor laboring just a little bit. Heard that motor ever be broken. Proud to see the Moo Juice back out. It now belongs to Trey Watson. I like the warning lights on the rear. Ain't that a thing? 17 years old, you're going to see 16 years old, you're going to see a lot of youngsters out here tonight. Totally legal, you got to be 16 to drive in competition. They call it the small prize. Got a little smoke coming out of that right cylinder. Pick them all, it don't make no difference. Didn't touch them until insurance got with the diesel boys and said, all right, you got to have a set of standard rules, and that has come about. You're going to be taking a look at the natural Lynn Chupp out of De Leon, Texas. Best mosquito killer there is. Cat Springs, comes out of Cat Springs, Texas, just right outside town here a little ways. He calls it a Milton thing. He named the truck today. A Milton thing. Didn't have a name on it last night. Watch the smoke. Boy, that's a kick in the butt, I'm here to tell you. There's things dropping out from underneath it what ain't supposed to be dropping out from underneath it. That right front tire said, you want to do this, you go right ahead. It didn't want to help the left front tire. Oh, that's just a rubber hose underneath there, that ain't nothing. But I still think he's got a mechanical problem because the right front tire didn't want to play. The right front tire decided, nope, I'm not going to play. And there's a rubber hose probably holding your drive shaft together. Now, he didn't go 100 feet. He can unhook. He can go look at it and come back later if he's in good shape. For a fact, in Platte City, Missouri, I had 46 pickups in the class, 1 Ford, 45 Dodges, and he kicked them all. Big Ford on the line right now. Cody Allen, Bobby's picture class. Really have the great big RPM. The smoke is not going. Sean Braun, the Chevrolet. Ford didn't go far enough. Can the Chevrolet go far enough? Where did Bad Asset go last night? He finished number 4 last night. Bad Asset finished number 4 last night. What do you say, Chevrolet? I want a lot of smoke and I want it to go high in the air. I want a straight plume, high in the air. Now, what do you Chevrolet. I'm pulling another association that's sanctioned the 3-0 truck. He's going to pull Texas and he's going to pull Outlaw. He's going to try to win 2 or 3 different associations with 2 different trucks. This truck is pretty salty. He did not win last night, as the Ready to Rumble truck beat him last night. Chris Ryan can get right in there out of Zephyr, Texas. He's run with, I've been around him quite a bit in the last 2 years. A great group of guys. Every time he comes up north, flies the flag of Texas. Said, looky here, boys, I come to play with you. And then he brings our money back to Texas. Where's my Texas people at? Let's make some noise. Here comes the mud. Didn't take him long to get there, did it? Rock and roll. And she liked an inch and a half getting in the money. No problem. Says, there you are, honey, fix it. Vanessa Heineman, ladies and gentlemen. Vanessa Heineman. That lady was on a mission. That lady was on a mission. Vanessa got second. He tried really, really hard, but you know what? She beat him by 1 foot and 10 inches last night. Here we go, man, with the truck called Ready to Rumble. This is last year's points champion. This truck right here is no slouch at all. Running at his wife, running at the mud. He wants number 1. Got it over on the other side where nobody else had been. I'm not too sure he wanted that part. Cross machine pandemonium right to Hartsville. Two-wheel drive.
You got some
Flying the flag of Texas. His dad's big tractor calls it Red Horse. Pretty aggressive on the starting line. Been second in the point championship with the Outlaws. Probably the best young man driver you want to find anywhere. Out of Columbus, run it in.
two of them now.
Blow the tires off of it, just like a double A fuel dragster. You got to milk into the throttle. You got to feel the weight. When the weight puts the weight on the throttle, you bet. She come to the throttle, but she come to the throttle just a hair late. Yeah, but that's all right. She's still out there running. She milked into it. She done a great job coming off the line. She laid into it, but she was probably about 20, 30 feet late going there when you got that, I guarantee you. machine, good job of driving. Come off the line just right. Come off the line very nicely. Also, Texas made, Texas designed. Keep an eye on the line now for So he dropped out last night. He's here tonight. Let's help him out. Where's my Got off of it a little. But the man is gaining knowledge every time he hooks to the sled. They're bumping the horsepower up a little bit more every time they come to the sled. It's not as fast tonight. It's a little faster. Not a problem. Nice run. 281.04. Oh yeah! Oh, the Texas Outlaw out of Kingsbury, Texas, 1932 Roadster 500, 26 cubic inches out of heavy. Had her running, had her tying all the knots. People in the stands would like to see this lady rock and roll. Cole, you forgot to tighten one of the nuts. All right, now it ain't over with. She ain't dead in the water yet. She ain't dead in the water yet because you see this 100-foot marker right here? She did not pull the sled competitively. If she'd have slid past it, it'd be fine and dandy, but she did not go competitive past this 100 foot. She'll get one more chance. Oh, she's getting some fresh air in there. All right. Now, here's what's fixing to take place. I just heard them holler that it's going to get the fuel and a funnel. Hey, let's help her out. What do you think? Get behind her, you bet. The little lady, Cassidy. Leaned out. That was no fault of hers. That was no fault of hers. It's mechanical. You've seen it happen before, leaned out. She's not a very happy duty. Special transmission, special tires, high-speed horsepower motor.